Iginiit ng National Security Council na lumilikha lang ng bangayan at pagkakawatak-watak ng mga Pilipino ang secret agreement ng China at ng dating administrasyon. Narito ang ulat. Nanindigan si National Security Council Assistant Director General at spokesperson for the National Task Force West Philippine Sea, Jonathan Malaya, na walang kinalaman ang administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa umano'y secret o gentleman's agreement na pinasok ng nakaraang administrasyon. Ayon kay Malaya, panibagong model o intimate understanding ang ibinabato ng China kaugnay pa rin sa issue ng West Philippine Sea.
The propaganda masters at the Chinese embassy are clearly working overtime to sow discord and division in our country for one purpose alone: to push their claim that the Philippines is the one causing tensions in the West Philippine Sea and provoking conflict because hindi daw tayo marunong tumupad sa mga usapan. This new model is nothing more than a new invention. As the President clearly stated, there is no agreement whatsoever about Ayungin Shoal. And we shall continue to do all activities within the bounds of international law, and we shall brook no interference in our lawful actions.
Giit ni Malaya, ang mga naturang pahayag ng China ay lumilikha lamang ng bangayan at pagkakawatak-watak ng ating mga kababayan.
The more na pinapatulan natin yan, the more na nagsasabong ang Pilipino, the more na humihina yung ating posisyon. Kasi ultimately, the objective of all of this propaganda narratives coming from both Beijing and the Chinese embassy is to create cracks and division among the Filipino people.
Ayon naman sa isang eksperto, baseless o walang basihan ang mga naturang secret agreement. Malinaw din aniya na paglabag sa soberanya ng bansa ang ginagawang panghihimasok ng China sa Pilipinas.
With all these going on in the media, etc., regarding agreements and discussions, etc., I think it is now very clear that the framing that we should look at towards these agreements is that they are baseless. The government of the Philippines, particularly under President Marcos Jr., has emphasized that we uphold the 2016 arbitral ruling and UNCLOS, which are enough to let us know our legitimacy in terms of the West Philippine Sea. So what we should raise is that when we have foreign countries telling us what to do, and that is a clear violation of our sovereignty, and that is unacceptable.
Dagdag pa ni Malaya, maraming bansa na ang nagpaabot ng kanilang interes para pumasok sa Visiting Forces Agreement o BFA sa pagitan ng Pilipinas, kabilang na ang New Zealand.